You do not need a business degree, you do not need a finance degree, or you do not need even a degree to be able to budget and manage your finances. Happy Sunday, everyone. It's a very chilly morning here, but I warmly welcome you to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome, and please consider subscribing. And if you're my subscriber already, thank you so much for coming back again to watch my videos. Paying off debts and saving money could be one of your financial goals. But even when it's not your financial goal, it's always good to learn how to manage and save your money, because almost everything we do nowadays involves money. Ramsey, an American financial personality, came up with the 7 baby steps to help people get out of debt. And surprisingly, not so many people are aware of these 7 baby steps that can help them get out of debt, and that's why I'm sharing, so that people can get informed and they can use these baby steps to get out of debt. Baby step number 1 is saving $1,000. This is a starter emergency fund, and it's used to cover for your small unexpected expenses. And if you live in another country, go ahead and set some money aside for your small unexpected expenses according to your living cost and according to your currency. Baby step number 2, pay off all your debts except your mortgage using debt snowball. And by debt snowball, Deb Ramsey means you take a pen and a paper, list all your debts, beginning with the smallest to the largest, regardless of the interest, and start paying them. Start attacking your debts. People have a lot of debts, from school loans, car loans, hospital debts, and credit cards, among other debts. So start by paying a minimum payment every month towards your debts, except the number 1 debt that you need to pay more into it as much as you can, so that you can kill it and then move on to the second one. Baby step number 3 is to save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a fully funded emergency account. The money in the fully funded emergency fund should be in liquid form. That is, it should be readily accessible, so that in case you lose your job, in case your car breaks down, you simply tap into that account and get the money to cover for your expenses. The 3 to 6 month savings in a fully funded emergency fund is to cover for bigger unexpected emergencies. So in case of a bigger emergency, you simply break the glass, get the money, and take care of the expense. Baby step number 4 is to invest 15% of your household income in your retirement. Some households have 2 people bringing in income, where some other households have 1 person bringing in income. Deb Ramsey advises people to invest 15% of the household income into a retirement account. For example, you can invest in a Roth IRA. Investing earlier in your retirement account is going to help you or save you from working too long into your old age. Baby step number 5 is to save for your children's college education. You can put these funds in a 529 college savings plan, or you can use the education savings account. Baby step number 6, you've paid all your debts, you've saved for your kids' college education. Now you need to start paying extra money into your mortgage, and paying extra money into your monthly mortgage is going to save you some interest, and it's going to help you pay your mortgage off earlier. Baby step number 7 is building wealth, giving generously, leaving an inheritance for your children or your grandchildren, and that's what Deb Ramsey calls building a legacy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find Deb Ramsey's GPS of getting out of debts helpful to you, and if it does help you, share with someone, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video.